Guys, we have about 100 people on the website live.
I was packing orders for like 6 hours straight, and orders were still coming in while I was packing them. Launching an e-commerce brand using TikTok is the business model that I wanted to do for ages now. Since I saw a bunch of different e-commerce brands go viral on TikTok and literally build up a multi-million-dollar companies, I decided to take a chance and try it out myself. And what happened to me, it turned out to be the most successful e-commerce store that I ever had.
Guys, today we have a record day on my store. 60 people on the website. It's the middle of the night. I'm packing orders.
Okay, so starting things off, I already knew that product is key. I specifically wanted to find a product that could easily go viral on TikTok and could also have a high retention value, meaning I repeat customers, right? I wanted to build some sort of store that's gonna have repeat customer base where you can sell to them more than once. So if you stick around with me till the end, I'm gonna show exactly which product I picked. So I found a supplier, I placed an order, and I was a little bit scared at first because I spent over €1,000 on that one.
So guys, I just ordered the stock.
But yeah, you know, scared money don't make no money. Also, I wasn't really 100% sure that it's gonna work out. And I know a lot of you guys watching this video probably have the same fears as well. So keep in mind, I've been doing business, online business for a good time now, and I still have this fear. In the meantime, while I was waiting for products to arrive, I was preparing everything like social media. I was preparing website. I even set up the product listings. I had everything prepared. I just needed product pictures. I did a bunch of different coding on the website. I pretty much customized the website as much as possible to make it look clean, make it look static and amazing. So the products arrived. I was almost ready to launch the store. I just needed product pictures, and we're ready to launch the first TikTok video in hopes that it's gonna go viral. And it did. Actually, the video started to go viral before I even had pictures up on the side, because what I did, the products arrived. I filmed the first TikTok with the products, and I thought to myself, then I'm just gonna go and slowly make product pictures, upload, because this video is definitely not gonna pick up the momentum.
Guys, I'm literally done. My website is not finished yet. I don't even have pictures on it for some products. I have 18 people now on my store. That's crazy. TikTok is so powerful.
But it started picking up momentum pretty crazy. I started getting 10,000 views, 20,000 views, 30,000 views. Pictures still not up on the website. Literally at one point I had over 30 live visitors and over 500 total visits in that day, and I had 0 pictures on the website. People started commenting that it's a scam or something. I started stressing out as like crazy. The only option I had was to freaking finish up those pictures as fast as possible, load them on the website. So I just rushed through it, put out the pictures, and yeah. And then magic happened.
Guys, I'm literally shaking right now. I was about to go to eat. I haven't ate anything for all day, and I got another order.
The first day I actually was able to make over €350 in total sales. I did not expect that whatsoever, and the first TikTok going viral actually gave a massive awareness for my store, good amount of customer base. People already started to know the store, started telling their friends probably, and yeah, this is just what one TikTok video could do for your business. Guys, I literally could not sleep that night. I was so excited to wake up and count all the profits, see how the store did throughout the night. But when I woke up and I saw what happened, I almost killed myself. Yeah, I almost killed myself, literally.
I don't know how to accept payments. The video got removed. Everything I worked on seems like crumbling down.
First of all, my video got removed from TikTok for violating the community guidelines. Second, I logged into my Stripe account and it got compromised for huge amount of sales volume out of nowhere. So they started investigating my Stripe account and they were about to close it or just hold it and froze all the funds that came in, which would have destroyed my cash flow immediately. On top of that, people stopped coming to the store because the video literally got removed, removing all the traffic and all the momentum I already had with the store and my TikTok account. That day, I'm not gonna lie, was super stressful. I sat down all day trying to fix all the issues, and out of nowhere, one sale came in for €80 and I got pumped up again. Things started to look great again. I was not able to recover the TikTok video that was removed, but I made a new TikTok videos. One of them started to pick up momentum again, and then bam, it got removed again for community guideline violations. Literally, the app that has the most soft that I know on the internet removes my video for community guideline violations. It's crazy. I honestly wanted to quit at this point. I took some time off to think about it, and TikTok actually restored one of the videos because I appealed it and they restored it, which made my day. Things started to look great again, and on the third day I was reaching €600 revenue. But what happened then was honestly insane.
Guys, today we have a record day on my store. It's the middle of the night. I'm packing orders.
I never experienced this with any other e-commerce stores that I had in the past. And what happened there, I think, is the reason why in 2022 a lot more businesses should only focus on TikTok and growing organic following on TikTok and using it for massive organic reach. So it was Sunday and I had some orders and I thought that would be a good idea to film a short TikTok of me like packing the orders for customers. In that video I mentioned the customer's first name and I just packed the order randomly, nothing's crazy, and I uploaded this TikTok and kind of forgot about it. Out of nowhere I see sales started to come in. I got one sale, I got 2 sales. I thought, hey, what's going on? I log into TikTok, the video is already at 20k views after first hour or something. It's picking up momentum again, but I got a little bit scared because I thought it's just gonna go and get removed again.
We have 58 people live on the website. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Third sale, the fourth sale came in, the fifth sale came in. Sales started coming in every single minute almost. Every 10 minutes I get 2 to 3 sales every single 10 minutes. The video's at 50k views now.
2 of them checking out, 60 people on the website right now.
Of course, I'm panicking a little bit because at this point I'm thinking, oh my god, what if I get so much people to buy and I don't even have that much stock? Then the video started to go even more crazy. It reached 100k views.
Guys, we have about 100 people on the website live right now. It's insane.
My website literally exploded. I was getting over 100 live visitors at one point. I was literally panicking because I didn't know if I'm gonna have enough stock to fulfill all these orders that are coming in.
We literally have 15 orders to ship out.
I was packing orders for like 6 hours straight and orders were still coming in while I was packing them. That day I needed to make over 20 returns to customers simply because I didn't have enough stock. The store literally exploded, bringing whopping 5.5k euros in revenue that day, which was about 3.5k euros in profit. Keep in mind, no advertising cost, huge profit margins, like 60 to 70% profit margins. And the worst thing is that I run out of stock and the next few days, the next 3 days, is the third day right now, I'm still getting over 2,000 website visitors daily and I don't have anything to sell them. That's big time.
We literally sold out in a week. I sold out all the stock in a week. It's crazy what TikTok could do, like it's insane.
Now, since I promised you guys, I'm gonna reveal the product, so here it is. So the product was CBD oil, specifically used to get better sleep, to remove your anxiety, to reach calmness level. So yeah, that was a CBD product. Well guys, I think with this amount of success in a short period of time, it just proves that this store works. This proves that niche is good and I have good customer base, so there would be no point for me to stop this. I honestly never had so much fun running a business before. I've done a lot of different businesses like agency, I have info products, but I never actually have so much fun building a business before like this. However, there are some problems with relegations regarding CBD products in my country. It's a little bit of a struggle. But as my favorite entrepreneur MJ DeMarco says, the harder it is to get into a business, the better it is, meaning the less competition you're gonna have, because the barrier of entry into this business is a little bit difficult, meaning a lot of people are just gonna bounce off. So with this video guys, I hope you learned that you can start a business with little capital and you can just use your phone to blow up your business literally overnight.
It's a mess.
My honest recommendations would be to pick a product that could be marketable on TikTok by doing your own research on the app and just go hard on TikTok, by also making sure that your website looks clean and professional with custom content. So guys, if I'm gonna keep building this brand, keep building the store, I'm gonna update you guys on it. I'm maybe gonna do some sort of challenge, 0 to 100k revenue challenge or something like that. I'm gonna keep you guys up to date on this on my Instagram. So by that being said, thank you so much for watching and I catch you in the next one.